Okay guys, today we got a 2023 F-150. This one has the 5.0. It doesn't really matter what we're doing though. I'm going to show you how to reset your oil maintenance light. So after you do your oil change, you want to reset this light, of course. So you're going to use these buttons here, up, down, okay, back. Pretty much, you can do it on any screen on these, I believe, but if you scroll down, it'll take you to speedometer. Like I said, I think you can do it on any one, but then you just hit this menu button and then you scroll down again to vehicle maintenance, hit OK, and then you can reset your oil life by simply holding down on the OK button. Just like that, it's reset. Pretty simple. A lot of the Fords, the newer ones, have this exact procedure. A little different from like the 2011 to 2020s, but that's pretty much it, guys. I hope this helped you out. Please click like, please click subscribe, and click on my name underneath this video for all my other how-to videos. As always, guys, enjoy.